The nature of the sugatagarbha is primordially pure and present in all living beings. Still, unless you remove the adventitious defilements which obscure it, you'll not win the awakening which benefits both self and others. It is imperative, therefore, that you apply yourself to the stages of the path, forgathering the two accumulations of method and wisdom and purifying obscurations. In addition, respectfully rely upon a qualified spiritual friend and receive the sublime, nectar-like Dharma. Study alone will not bring liberation. Also apply yourself to contemplating and meditating upon what you have learnt. The sign of a genuine practitioner is a weakening of the destructive emotions, and not hankering after current experiences is a sign of progress on the path. If the opposite happens, then you'll become obsessed with this life. Your emotions will take over and you'll become a hypocrite, someone skilled in talking about the Dharma, but for whom liberation is far away.